Right, good people, here is a parcel that has arrived from Ben, the tool addict. Now I've already had it open because there was some books and stuff in there. So just left now are the tools. I'll sling it over there, make some space and get them out. First of all, a nice Barco 8-inch ergo. That looks like a good one. And so for I mean these, to buy these for side cutters new are £28 because I just looked on Amazon. So they'll get a clean. A 32mm combination spanner, that should sell for about a tenner. This is a big one. An inch BS and an 1 1/8 BS King Dick. That should sell for about a tenner. And a britool RJ1100. That should sell for about a tenner. Those 3 spanners are my money back. And then everything else is a bit of profit once I've done some cleaning. Never heard of them, but who knows. Another britool. Britool RJs always sell well, the RJs. Stanley knife, 99E. Another King Dick, 30mm and 36mm. That should get another tenner. Another Stanley. Oh, that's a nice tight. Oh, show me about that little dip out there. A little dip. I had a tight one like this the other day, and I cleaned it up, put it on eBay, and it went for £19.95 because the lines are so tight. Normally you get a lot of wobble in old Stanleys. Pair of Nipex, 6-inch. Are they 6-inch? No, they're 8-inch. So I sold a 6-inch pair of these the other day for £8.95 cleaned up. So I expect to get a tenner for them. This is very interesting. I like the shape of these. These will be keepers. Original Sieger. Made in Germany. I like them. They're never know when you need an unusual pair of pliers, do you? So keep them. Star Wheel 20 doesn't mean 20mm, by the way. 20 is just the brand, the can't remember. 1 1/8, so that's a nice big one. That's at least another tenner. And look, we've got some more mole grips to go with my collection. I really must dig my mole grips out and see how many I've got. But the best thing about the mole grips, I mean, these are little generic ones, which are a shame because they're, you know, they're only small. But the best thing, I'll just measure these to check I'm getting stuff correct here. These are 5-inch, and they're genuine moles. They are tiny. Now they're missing the spring, but it just so happens Ben sent me another pair. You know, and I think I can get the spring off of there, put that spring on these, job done. And they're a keeper, obviously, because, you know, now I've got to start collecting mole grips because I've just got enough to start a collection. And this, when I first opened the box up, I thought, what's Ben sending me shitty old breast drills for? But it's not a shitty old breast, it's a footprint. Right, it's complete. It's got the handle, and the breastplate. So that's quite a good one, that, isn't it? Nice bit of swivel there, so you can get it on your chest and push, and yeah, lovely. So I think this won't resell. The work that goes into these is incredible for what people don't want to offer you. So you see me do the fabrics a few months ago, and I've got no interest, no offers or anything on it. So it looks really pretty, but I had one person ask the tightness of the chuck because they want to use it. Really, something that's, what's fabrics? Fabrics, they stopped making fabrics in the 80s, so something that's 40 years old, I think really should be on a shelf. You should be looking at it on the wall. Just my opinion, might be wrong. Right. Well, thank you very much, Ben, for that. Ben charged me 20 quid and £8 postage. That is what all that cost him. It cost him 20 quid, and although I think, Ben, you might have just chucked some more stuff in there for free, because that's what you're like, innit? You're a nice bloke. And so he, you know, and he's cleared some of his shop out, and he's given me something to do because I just haven't got enough shitty old spanners to clean. So luckily, I was actually thinking on Monday, I was thinking, what am I going to do this week? Because I'm down to my last 1,500 shitty spanners. I'm down to my last 17 vices. I've only got about 28 parcels coming in this week to unwrap, so I'm on a bit of a week where I can't do nothing. If you've noticed, that's why I'm not knocking out many videos. Anyway, I'm gonna clean something up. What shall we pick? What shall we pick? Oh, shout it out loud, and we'll see if we get in time together there. I mean, should we go for this ultra fucking shitty spanner? Oh dear, it's got boss white or something on it. Fucking hell. Oh, all right. Should we go for the ultra shitty spanner? Should we go for the little mole grips? Look at them. They are tiny, aren't they? Or these unique pliers. What should we do? I ain't got long. I've got to take my kids to gymnastics this afternoon. So make your minds up. Come on. Which one should I do? Come on. Well, it's these three. Now, I meant pick one, but I'm getting the vibes come across that you're all saying I should do all three of them. I mean, come on, I've got to go to gymnastics. Right, I used the magic blow the dirt away trick there. So you see they didn't even move and they become clean. Right, so just in case anybody picked anything else, keep watching. I've done all the spanners. Right, that leaves me just a nip extra Stanley knives and I think the big mole grips to do. I'll leave them for another day. I've got to go. Alright, I'm going to say bye for now.